A little baby bird just fell out of the nest here. I'm gonna try to rescue it.
I'll try to help you.
Oh my god, this is so sad. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to save this little guy without hurting him. We'll get some paper underneath. Oh my god, he's all twisted up. Hey little buddy. Just trying to be as gentle as possible. Sliding your backside first, that's the strongest. Oh, his neck does not look healthy. He was moving it earlier. I don't think it's broken. Oh my god. This is so awkward. Okay, we're gonna have to flip over, buddy. Oh my god. Flip over, homie. I think we got you. Oh no. Okay. That's a start. Now, we have to get him back to his nest. His nest is right here. It's so awkward though. I can't see behind it. Okay, we got nest cam here. Okay, we got little baby bird. Is this the entrance of the nest? Go in the nest. Is he in? Oh, I think he's in. I'm using my cell phone as a viewfinder. It's hard to tell. Alright, we're going. We're going in the nest. Did you make it? Hector, did you make it? Where is he? I think... Is that him just sitting on top there? Does he look saved? Oh man. He doesn't look very saved. He's just kind of like resting at the top of the nest, but I don't know what else to do. We did our best. Damn, this is the second bird that fell out. I don't know if it was the same bird, because this one's much bigger than the last one, but another one fell out and I put him on top, and I don't know that he ever made it. Okay, plot twist. The nest has fallen. There's Karen. Hey Karen. Oh, see you later. Hey Steve. How you doing, Steve? What's going on, Steve? How you doing? Alright. Good to see you. So, the nest fell. There was a windy night. I put it down here for now. I don't know if there's any birds in there, but I do believe Karen and Steve would like me to put it back up there. Oh, that's how they get in. There's a hole on the undercarriage. So I'm gonna put the nest on that side. Operation put nest back in full effect. Are there any birds in there? I love how they design these nests. The top is so protective. Oh, sorry, I ruined it. They'll fix it, I'm sure. Okay, so this... Sorry for the damage to your wonderful nest. And that's... It's gotta squeeze in between here. So it's nice and tight. That feels really secure. I think they will like that. So there that is. Alright, I got some cleaning up to do, but it's a beautiful day here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The air is pretty clean. Loving that mountain view. Very grateful to be here. Grateful for you guys watching the videos. I'm having fun. Having fun in life. Just getting started. Thumbs up. I just let them chill here. They've built their nest up and I'm just like, yeah, go for it. Build your home here. I don't care. And I hear the little babies tweeting. The parents, Karen and Steve, they will land on the railing here. And they'll look at me as I'm sitting there working on videos. They're like, what you working on there, Vegetable Police? Unsubbed. And then they'll fly up here. And then I hear the babies tweeting for food. So, yeah, it's just said, hey birdie. Oh my god. So hopefully this one makes it. The parents see it. And then like tuck it into the nest better than I did. Just another day here at the Vegetable Police office. Saving lives. I went vegan, saved a bunch of lives. Now I'm just doing it real time. Or I killed them both. That's the more likely situation. But I tried, and that's all we can do. That's all we can do. So I think that's it. We're done here. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Thumbs down if you're gonna come here and lick the bird to nurse it back to health for some reason. I welcome it. Just if you can, do whatever you can. So we're done. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you in the next one. Oh no, cow. I want to save you, buddy. Oh no. Be brave. Oh, I'm so sorry, little buddy. Go vegan? You're not gonna.
you.